At Kitco, we don't insist on any specific packaging method. But for the safest possible journey, here's how we recommend you pack your precious metals. To pack loose coins, start by placing them in a plastic tube. Once inside, fill the empty space with cotton balls or newspaper so they don't move around. Finally, tape up the ends so they don't slide out. Alternatively, you can always use a drawstring pouch. Pull it tight to ensure the coins stay in place. For a more environmentally friendly tube, you can easily make your own using plain paper. Just cut the length you need, roll the coins up inside, fold the ends, and tape securely. For higher value coins, carefully wrap them in tissue paper or bubble wrap to stop them getting scratched. Secure the package with tape. Finally, place them in a resealable pouch to hold everything in place. If you're sending small bars, simply wrap them in bubble wrap and fasten with tape. For heavier bars, wrap in 2 layers. First, bubble wrap, then packing paper. And don't forget to tape them up. When shipping old jewelry or other recyclables, weigh each lot before placing in a resealable pouch or bag. Group together items of the same carat or purity and label each bag accordingly. If you don't have a scale, don't worry. You can still send your metals to us without weighing them. Once your goods are safely packed, line a box with packing foam or paper. Place your bars, small boxes, and pouches inside, putting the heaviest items at the bottom. Cover your goods with another layer of foam or packing paper and seal it up. Double boxing is crucial for keeping your metals safe in transit. Line the outer box with packing paper or foam as before. Place your first box inside. Pack it tight. Add your packing slip with a description of the contents and seal it up. Tape up the edges with duct tape or packing tape for extra durability. If your items are heavier than 50 pounds, it's best to split them into 2 or more shipments. Then affix your label. For security, make sure the word Kitco does not appear on the label. We will provide you with the name and address once you've notified us of your shipment. Alternatively, we can send you pre-filled shipping labels. Simply select the option for Kitco to arrange your shipment when using our website. Finally, and once again, however you choose to pack, remember to always double box. It's the most important thing you can do to keep your metals protected. Thank you for watching our video. We hope that you found it helpful. If you have any questions, visit online.kitco.com.
I guess not now. Cut. Okay, last time. Forget it. Cut. Can somebody please replace the scale?
Enough of the peanuts already.
Next time, let's try paper.
Too much paper. Well, at least it's double boxed, and that's the most important thing.
And that's a wrap.